Point, Cleveland fakes the shot, now puts it through, deflected, and nice in front, and Purcell scores! Teddy Purcell keeps the train a-rolling, and the Pistons grab an early 1-0 lead. Austin Romanek out there for a shift as Smelski dumps it in, and he gets run hard. Shift for that linesman as Neal sets it up for Bahoun. Bahoun walks in, snaps that. Bettens, great save, Rodrigue! Defense. Braden Smelski against Kaufman. Kaufman watches him. Smelski in, kicks it free, and he couldn't find the handle after, as this is deflected high off the net. Great pass in front, and oh, another spectacular. Kyle Bettens now turns things up as he's going to try and get it over for Butler. Butler in, snapped it draw, but Loney forces the turnover. Loney centers, Purcell scores! It's just another 2-goal game for Zach Purcell. Back, OCN through the zone. Nice drop pass here coming Willits with speed, and that's blocked away by Lenz.
The only one here in the booth and even in the locker room who does the same thing.
Great save, Matt Lenz, as he shoots. Nice block, Kyle Bettens has it. Nakins over, scores! Ty Nakins cashes in on a wonderful pass from Kyle Bettens. And it's another power play goal. It's 3-0.
Yeah, that's just wearing down.
Leland at the point for Graham. Nice dish, Query. Back to Mold. Nice pass up, rebound. Blocked there by Hawk. We will try and update you in the between periods. Here's Purcell and Young. Purcell over Young, but Purcell scores! Hat trick for Teddy Purcell! On a great little give and go from Bryce Young. Purcell's third of the night. Telling you.
Yeah, he's had quite a few of his shares of saves.
There's a great play by OCN. Nice, and Kyle Bettens missed it. Here's a 2-on-0 shorthanded. Bird, offensive breakaway in. Stopped by Lenz, and it's cleared. He's got Bettens going to the net. Passes there, and oh, I thought it was going in. Nakins, no way did he try that. He put each other tomorrow night. Here's a nice steal. Bahoun's got Neal in front. Bahoun scores! CB 21 rings the bells and gets the fans excited. What a shot from Cody Bahoun.